Hey, it's Angelo here with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing. Wife and I went to the Tractor Supply, and she was getting her normal chicken feed, whatever. But so that's an excuse for me to go in there and poke around, see what I could find. So what I found was the Camillus Chunk. So it was on the cheaper side. It was actually $15. I think $14.99. So I ended up getting it. It reminded me of the Kaiser the sheepdog, I think it's called. So I was like, it's a cleaver style, so I decided to pick it up. I almost didn't, but it had two of them there, so I figured that I'd get it because it has it's a folding knife, obviously. 420 stainless steel, 3-inch blade. Has the glass-filled nylon handle, and it's supposed to have a quick launch bearing system. I think it was on eBay, or it was on Amazon, but they're sold out on Amazon. I think they had them at Walmart. They're sold out at Walmart. Home Depot has them. I think they're same price, $15 or $16. So I picked it up. I thought it was looked pretty good. So what do you got here? So it's just the story of Camillus. So it has the titanium. Oh yeah, they have the titanium bonded stainless steel blade. That's their. I'm gonna say a gimmick, but that's their. It seems like every knife I see or Camillus has, they have the titanium bonded. It's supposed to make the, I guess, the blade last longer or something. It says quick launch system, bearing system. So, and a glass filled nylon pocket clip is. That's all. I almost didn't buy it because it's tip down only, but I think you flip it back and forth. So, all right. I'm gonna open it up and see how it goes. Let's see. Well, I'll use another. This is the CH, another style cleaver drill blade. Let's use this to open it up. So this one kind of models after the sheepdog, Kaiser sheepdog, but the sheepdog costs about $69 for the mini sheepdog. So let's see what first impressions are. Let's pop this out. Oh, it's nice, shiny. All right, tight. Oh, that's nice. People, I think I read on Amazon, they were complaining that it's not assisted, but I don't think it is assisted. It's just it's bearing right. It has a bearing system, so it's really shiny. Oh crap! Knocked my camera. Trying to get something to wipe the blade off with. Let's get right back here. Oh. Alright. So wipe this blade off here. Here you see it has a real nice mirror shine. So titanium. But it's a pretty nice little blade. It's nice little. So let's see what the lockup is. It's a liner lock. Not skeletonized. It's not really. I didn't see how much it weighed. It's fairly light blade. It could be, I don't know, the thumbs. They have thumb studs. Oh yeah, you could flick it with the thumb. Your thumbs. Almost spider flick it. Dual thumb studs. But it's easiest. It's a flipper, and it's not assisted. It's really smooth. For 15, I seen a Walmart had it. I think at $10, but like they're out of stock there. So everywhere I've seen it that still has this $15. I think Knife Center, I think they wanted $20. But it looks like you could, if you're a left-handed person, looks like you could take this clip and switch it. So I didn't do it, but Obviously I just opened it up. But I like the finish on it. It's really shiny. Yeah. I don't know if that's coated. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna wear out or I don't know. It looks like that's 420. It's yeah. It's open pillar design. Nothing special. It's like this. Should have hooked my scale up. Let's see what it weighs. Let's see what it weighs. Crap going here. Oh, okay. So you guys can take a look at that while I do this. Looks like I might have set my coffee cup on my scale. Got a coffee stain on my. Trying to wipe it off, but it's stained on there now. So I guess we can't wipe the coffee stain off of the scale. Oh well. There's the scale. I'm gonna try raising this up a little bit. Get this up higher. What the heck's going on here? Oh, it's caught on my other. There we go. That's good enough. Alright. Yeah, that sucks. I can't get that stain off of there. Oh well. Should have been a little more prepared. Alright, gotta plug my scale in. I would normally, sometimes I don't do it because usually they say how much it weighs, but I'm thinking this is pretty light. Alright, let's turn this on. Mode 1 ounces. Got 3.90 ounces, 8.5, so under 4 ounces. That's pretty good. Smooth. Like that's actually not bad. It's probably a nice little everyday carry. I don't know. It has room for a lanyard hole. You could put your paracord in there. That way you can get a little more grip on it. But it has somewhat of a finger choil. You could actually come up on it, but I don't know how sharp. Oh, it feels. See how sharp this blade is. Let's see here with this. Oh, that's the wrong one. But there's that. How sharp that one. It's the wrong knife. It's sharp enough to cut that stuff. Yeah, I don't know if I like. First, I think I like this. The reflectiveness, but I don't know. As long as it seems like it's almost painted, but I have to see how it holds up. See, it's not quite drop shut, but yeah, it's the Camillus Titanium 420. Let's get this out of the way. I guess I'll do some measuring real quick. Get this crap. So anyway, so here's a comparison with the CH toucans. So that's another cleaver style. It's much larger than that one. And the other cleaver I have is the Gerber flat iron. I put a copper scale on it. So that's kind of, that blue don't really look good right there with my mat, but you can't really see it. Yeah. So it's smaller. I'm guessing this is probably the size of that that Kaiser Sheepdog Mini. So there's comparison. We'll get a real fast. The blade looks like to be cutting edge is 3 inches, but it's almost like the flipper and everything goes all the way back to like almost 3.5. The handle is about 4 1/4. Yeah. So we got the weights under 4 ounces, glass filled, tip down carry, has bearings in it. I don't know what kind they are, but take it off camera and see if I can see it. Let's see. Get my super flashlight. See if I can shine down in there. Whoa, that's too much light. You really can't see down in there. Anyway, so it has some form of bearing system in the pivot. Alright, well, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe. Angel's Edge. See you the next time. Bye.